Top 10 Car Wash in Tampa. 1. Woodie's Wash Shack, Gandy-Westshore, 4.9 8,871 reviews, Gandy Blvd. 2. Woodie's Wash Shack N, Dale Mabry, 4.9 4,764 reviews, Dale Mabry Highway. 3. Link's Car Wash, 4.8 286 reviews, Busch Boulevard. 4. Dirty Dog's Car Wash Tampa, 4.7 1,000 reviews, East Hillsborough Avenue. 5. Sunshine Car Wash Fowler, 4.6 3,416 reviews, East Fowler Avenue. 6. Top Edge Car Wash Tampa, 4.6 1286 reviews, West Waters Avenue. 7. Tidal Wave Auto Spa Car Wash, 4.6 880 reviews, Sun Vista DR. 8. Big Dan's Car Wash, 4.6 693 reviews, Dale Mabry Highway. 9. Bubble Down Car Wash, 4.5 2,293 reviews, North Nebraska Avenue. 10. Tommy's Express Car Wash, 4.5 1889 reviews, West Waters Avenue.